Why is it that back in school, everybody had the same colors for their subject folders? Science was always green, math was always either blue or red, and this is backed up by numerous student surveys, even though the pairings seem completely arbitrary. To understand why we do this, though, you first have to understand a psychological phenomenon known as the reverse stroop effect. Basically, whenever we ask people to define a color word, they'll always take way longer when that word is printed in an incongruous color, and this shows that color itself has semantic value that we think about when we process things. However, the stroop effect isn't just limited to color terms, but can be applied to more implicit associations. For example, several Japanese studies found that participants have faster reaction times when pairing squares to the color blue, circles to the color red, and triangles to the color yellow. This likely happens because we ingrain early semantic associations. Like, everybody in Japan sees the red circle on their flag and probably interacts with the same mass-produced toys in primary colors, so it's no wonder that they internalize color categories the way they do. So now that we know that we can tie color value to things like shapes, why not something else that seems arbitrary, like school subjects? These often have implicit associations as well. For example, science is probably green because of our connections to plants and nature. Thus, we assign our green folders to science simply because that feels right, but even making that assignment strengthens the semantic associations in our head, making the category feel even more real to us.